Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your dummy smile. This is just like a random and fun video, and photo credit to Closure.How, Beauty Hair Official, and Divas Wig. So guys, if you find this video interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to install Face App and then go to Smile option. And so under Smile there are different options again. So as you can see, when I click Classic, it puts the smile on the dummy, and when I click Original, it takes it back to how it was before. And then there are also other options, wide, tight. So like for you to use the other options, now you have to buy the app or you have to watch the ads. Today there are no ads, but the options are also perfect, like good. I really love them. And yeah, so guys, this video is just for fun. I really loved it, and I just thought like, let me just share it. Yeah.
Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness.
So guys, that was it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So see